Hello, YouTube, and welcome to round 3 of our favorite game. I am Melantart VA.
I am Saki Amano.
And joining us is our friend...
Andrew?
Okay, so I've got 10 cats here, all drawn up by Miss Dako. You guys know the rules, so let's begin. Andrew, who do you think this is? Remember, only look at the picture, nowhere else.
I do not know. I kind of
A Thistleclaw will never be included in this, so this is not Thistleclaw.
Understandable.
So just guess.
Scar? Paw?
Okay. Roxy, what do you think?
I want to say... No, I don't think it is, but I'll guess Gray Stripe.
Okay, we will come back to that. Okay, now is this one. Andrew, you're up first. I can hear you thinking.
Brown Strife?
Okay, Roxy?
I mean, Briarlight.
Bingo! Roxy got it. That's Briarlight. Okay, next up, Andrew. Just give us something, even if you have to describe her while you're thinking.
Fluffy Snow.
Fluffy Snow, is that it?
I don't know why. I don't know why I came up with that.
That's fine. Roxy?
Bristle.
Bristlefrost?
Yeah.
Bingo! Roxy got it. Bristlefrost. Also, Roxy, what were you going to say while we were still on the first one?
I was going to jokingly say, like, if I get all these wrong, I should just turn... I said if I get all of these wrong one day, I should just turn in my Warriors fan card.
Well, currently, you've gotten 2.
Yeah.
Next one. Andrew. Ah, frick. I hate when it does this. Okay, here we go. Sorry.
Shy? Paw?
Shy Paw? Okay. Roxy?
Cinderpelt.
Bingo! That's 3. Okay. Andrew.
Fierce?
Fierce?
Leopard?
Okay. Roxy?
Darktail.
Yep. Yep, so far, Roxy's gotten 4 out of 5. Next one, Andrew. What do you think? What are you thinking? It sounds like your brain's like...
I think we can conclude that's exactly what my brain is doing at this point.
Just give it a guess. You gotta go for those Hail Marys sometimes. Just give it a guess. Give it the old college try.
Gray Fox?
Okay, Roxy?
I'd already made guess the name before, but Gray Stripe.
Yep, that's 5 out of 6.
Yeah, I was gonna say because like my brain's kind of finally
Finally put 2 and 2 together?
Yeah.
Alrighty, Andrew.
Let's see. Angry Stripe.
Okay, like this is gonna be easy because I've actually seen the art like posted on her Twitter. Hawk Frost.
Yep. Okay, next one. Andrew. By the way, some of the cats I'd originally planned Miss Dako didn't actually have like full body art of them, so I had to change my plan.
Gotcha.
In any case, Andrew. Also, by the way, I should mention this is a tricky one because the character I wanted wasn't actually drawn as a full warrior, so this is technically that character as an apprentice. Come on, Andrew.
Brown tail.
Okay, Roxy.
This is her back when she was known as Holly Paw.
Bingo! Okay, next one. Andrew.
This is humiliating, but at the same time, so funny.
Okay.
Eh.
Come on, dude.
Tiger Stripe.
Okay. Roxy?
Leaf Pool.
Yep. And last one. Okay. Andrew, you're up.
Huh.
Tell me who this is.
Mug.
Mug? Is that it?
Lion.
Andrew, I was just gonna say I couldn't hear you saying anything.
He was
Sorry.
thinking. Alrighty, and Roxy, who do you think that this is? Remember, no looking at the name up top.
Right.
Alright, so who do you think this is?
I want to say it's Tawny Pelt, but it could be mistaken.
Alrighty, so since we're at the end of it, we'll just begin with this one. This is actually Leaf Star, leader of Sky Clan. And finally, the only other one missed. This is Ash Fur.
Yeah, I hate him so much I don't even remember him.
Alrighty.